Guys, Amazon drone deliveries are soon to exceed 500 million deliveries per year. And as I walk around the mall, I can't help but think how many of these stores are going to be out of business pretty soon because, right now, you're not seeing that many Amazon drone deliveries. Actually, there's only 11 locations nationwide where Amazon drones are making deliveries. But get this, they are scaling that up. By the end of the year, there are going to be 500 cities eligible for Amazon drone deliveries. Tens of millions of Americans are going to be eligible. And get this, it's only going to cost you about $5 per drone delivery, $2 less for Prime members. And if your order is over 50 bucks, that drone is going to deliver your package completely for free within about 30 minutes, which is absolutely crazy. Guys, we are not very far away from thousands of drones buzzing around the air, delivering USB drives, pants, beef tallow, paintbrushes. Basically anything under 5 pounds is going to be delivered by drone, by these, what they are called octocopters. We are gonna have octocopters completely filling the skies, delivering anything you want. And guys, this is not theory. This is not like an anticipation of what's happening. This is a reality. It's a proven business model that's been worked on for over a decade and is now about to scale up to unprecedented amounts. I just can't believe people aren't talking about how many drones are going to be in the air very, very soon. We're seeing a huge spike happening right now. We're going to see massive Amazon delivery hubs all over the place that can deploy these drones into a 7.5 mile radius. It's not going to be encumbered by traffic, by accidents, by even drivers. We talked a couple days ago about delivery drivers and how that 100 million drivers are about to be displaced by autonomous vehicles. That doesn't even take into account these drones, guys. These drones are going to be all over the place. Absolutely crazy. We have very much moved past is this technology real? Will this business model work? To it's actually happening. And again, this is not necessarily a new program. Amazon has been working on drone delivery since 2013, but now they're to a place where they anticipate, again, to be delivering to 500 cities by the end of the year. You're gonna, 500 cities across the United States are gonna be getting Amazon drone deliveries within the next few months. That is absolutely crazy. Again, I don't know how many of these stores are still gonna be in business when you don't have to leave your home. You're just gonna have Amazon drone drop off your package right at your door. And Amazon, to their credit, have already completed hundreds of thousands of drone deliveries. And again, they're aiming for 500 million drone packages per year by the end of the decade. So by 2030, you can anticipate 500 million drone deliveries per year. Guys, that's about 1.37 million deliveries per day. And I don't know if that's ominous, but certainly the storm clouds are coming. And again, you might think, does this impact delivery jobs? I mean, the short answer is, of course. That's 1.37 million deliveries that were being done by humans that are now going to be done by autonomous drone. Now, I guess the good news here is that, these drones are going to create a whole new addressable market. There's a whole new type of audience that's going to want to be buying or, servicing these drones, right? So, I mean, quite frankly, if you've got kids, they should be absolutely looking into robotics repair, drone repair, flight testing, all that stuff. These drones are going to be everywhere. Now, there is some pushback, guys. Local communities are definitely pushing back, kind of like we've seen on data centers, but I just don't think there's enough there to actually make that happen. I'll give you an example. In Nampa, Idaho, an Amazon executive, Sam Bailey, spoke with residents at a kind of like a public hall for about an hour. And their main concerns were the noise, logistics, and bird safety. And it's kind of funny when you look more closely, like bird safety is the #1 concern that they have. The city's board, unsurprisingly, unanimously approved the rollout of the program in that city in Idaho. Guys, if you're thinking that you're gonna stop this technology because you're concerned about birds, it ain't gonna happen. There's no way, no how. The other, I think, big kind of pushback is the noise that you get from these drones, but they're actually surprisingly quiet. Sounds kind of similar to a lawnmower for about 20 seconds when it lifts off and when it lands and drops. But Guys, there is one resident, get this, there is one resident in Richardson, Texas who complained, quote, "I consistently hear the buzz of drones overhead and it is very irritating and not very peaceful." Of course, this was a woman who gave that feedback. And you know, just a quick side note, my wife is very attuned to decibel levels, and it's just kind of funny that sometimes she hears things that I would never hear, and sometimes it's something, sometimes it's not. So when this woman in Texas says that the drones are too loud, I kind of take it with a grain of salt. Is it really too loud or is it not? I don't know. You know, sometimes my wife for about 6 months was complaining about the noise in our car. It turned out to be nothing. And for 6 months, she's telling me it's too noisy, it's too noisy. It was nothing. But then the other day, she went about 2 weeks telling me that the air conditioner was too loud. Turns out that was something. So I don't know if this woman in Texas is legit or not, but you know, she thinks the noise is a problem. But what do you think, guys? Do you want these drones making deliveries in your airways? What are the problems? What are the hazards? Is this the type of thing that you would want in your community? I mean, it means much more speed. It means like if you want to order your widget, it's going to be there within 30 minutes. That's pretty cool. It means less crowded roadways, potentially. But will the noise be an issue? Will the threat to birds be a problem? What about all the drivers? Will this just create a whole new job category for people that are repairing, replacing, and working these drones? How many jobs do you think will be displaced? How many new jobs do you think will be created? Put it in the comments below, guys. Hey, what's up? Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Mark here. I just want to give a special shout out message to all the guys and girls. We're basically all boys here, but you're watching the videos day in, day out. You're getting value, you're leaving comments, you're liking, you're subscribed. Thank you so much. I want to try to find a way to bring our message, this message of the impact that AI, drones, autonomous vehicles, this technology is going to have on guys like you and me, like our sons and daughters. And I need your help. I need your help. Like, we're in this together. I'm able to come in here. I'm putting in the time, the effort, and I do it basically because I love it. They say, find something that you love and feels like play, but to other people feels like work. And that's kind of what this feels like to me. But I need your help. I need your favor. If you're still watching this point, I'd consider you a solid, loyal viewer. And so here's what I'm just asking you to do. Below this video, there's going to be a button that says join. And that join button is going to bring you into a community here on YouTube. It's not on another platform. It's on YouTube that will allow you to have conversations with me directly, with other members. It's going to give different ways for me to provide additional value to you and to booster the size and the voice of our message. And I need your help to craft the message and craft a valuable community that you find value in, that other people might find value in, so that again, we can really help men thrive in this new AI world. And it's $10 a month to be part of that membership. It supports me. It helps me put more resources to hire more help, to use more AI tools. So it helps me there. But here's the deal, guys. This is experimental. We're testing it out. I'm trying to figure out what is going to work, what's not going to work. So I'm giving you 30 days completely free. Okay. So click the join button. You can join completely for free. We get to talk. We get to communicate. I need your feedback in order to, really scale out this channel and this movement to the next level. So again, click the button below. You'll be asked to probably put in your credit card information, in which case it's going to be $10 a month to donate to me and the channel, help grow it out. But you get 30 days, 100% completely free, just so we can try to build something and see what we've got here. If that sounds good to you, I very much appreciate it. Click the join button right below this video. Take 5 minutes and then tag me, ping me, say what's up to me. And I just look forward to seeing you on the other side. Again, thanks for this special message. I know I don't ask a lot of you guys, but I really want to take this next level. I feel really strongly that guys like us are going to need more of this as we move into the next level. So I don't care where you're from. You're from England, India, United States. You're from Chile, Peru, South Africa. You're from Germany, Britain, wherever you're from. Click the join button. You can join, again, completely free for 30 days. And let's get some momentum here. I have questions for you that I need answered to. And you might have questions that you need answers to. This is a good place to get that done. All right, boys, I appreciate you very much. Thanks for it. It's all love, boys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.